Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, save open files and plug the HP into AC to prevent shutdown. This protects data and firmware. Once done, use the Start menu, choose Power, then hold Shift and click Restart to open the Windows recovery environment. This gives you access to repair tools without loading normal drivers. If Windows won't reach the desktop, force 3 interrupted boots to trigger automatic repair. Make sure to note your admin credentials so you can sign in when prompted. These steps move you into the recovery flow quickly and safely. Once in recovery, go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options and pick Startup Settings. Click Restart to present the menu of boot options. When the system reboots, press the number key for the safe mode you need. 4F4 for basic safe mode, 5F5 for safe mode with networking, or 6F6 for safe mode with command prompt. Use safe mode with networking if you need online downloads or scans. Pick plain safe mode when suspecting driver conflicts, because it loads only essential drivers and services to isolate the problem. Boot into the selected safe mode and perform fixes. Run antivirus and anti-malware scans, uninstall recently added drivers or apps, and use System Restore to roll back to a known good point. These actions remove conflicts while keeping normal drivers disabled. Once done, restart normally to exit safe mode and confirm the issue is resolved. If safe mode won't start or the screen stays black, create Windows Install Media or use HP Recovery from a USB. This lets you repair startup files. Try safe mode with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.